It's a wet and very stormy Tuesday morning, Tuesday, January 3rd. I was having to do some work earlier, so I couldn't get the origination relays for the Tennessee RMT, but I'll be able to get the last two. WWTN 99.7, All Talk. WGFX 104.5, All Sports. So both for Cumulus, both will relay, hopefully, unless they change some settings. But it's now 11:19, so let's see what we get.
1877 cars for kids. KARS cars for kids. 1877 cars for kids.
Does anybody else really just not like the Cars for Kids commercial?
All-time high. Our donors are now getting the highest receipts as well. Donate at carsforkids.org and your car can be picked up tomorrow. Brentwood Jewelry online at brentwoodjewelry.com. 1877 cars for kids. KARS cars for kids. 1877 cars for kids. Donate your car today.
We might
Accepting donations of
have a
land,
Tennessee
homes,
RMT.
buildings, or any kind of real estate.
Congress has authorized trillions in new spending, along with doubling the size of the IRS agency in just the last few months. Do you think that is by accident? No, it is with a purpose, to go after small businesses, employees, and individuals who have not filed or paid their taxes. If this is you, don't panic, just call. Hi, this is Lance Drury with the Lance Drury Law Firm in Nashville. Interest and penalty.
Oh, well, there's GFX.
And I begin to wonder, did they confuse us? I wrote a book 23 years ago. You know, in my lifetime, I've never spoken at a Democrat event. I used to speak at a lot of Republican events. I spoke at a National Day of Prayer. I used to speak at Reagan dinner. Lincoln dinner. I stopped going 14 years ago. I stopped being invited 5 years ago.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
To what I believe, but I haven't. I've been saying this stuff for 6. I mean, either you guys don't listen, or I got to find a better way to communicate, or I just got to get off the air. I'm not making a difference.
401k and more. Apply now at NWIAero.com on our careers link.
Angie's List is now Angie, and we've heard a lot of theories about why.
No, I guess you don't need WWTN relay. At least we got a WGFX relay. That's cool.